Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the cocokind Calming Magnesium Mist. This product retails for $18. I'm very excited for this launch because I've not seen anything else like it to my knowledge on the market. I've seen a hypochlorous acid mist. This is not that whatsoever, but claims to have some of the similar benefits of it. One thing I don't like about hypochlorous acid is how picky it is. I still use it, don't get me wrong, but I don't like to use that around skincare actives. Especially, you're not supposed to use it at the end of your skincare routine. You're supposed to view it as a hand sanitizer for the face, kind of a refresher that you don't really use around skincare products. With this product, they're encouraging to use it around skincare products whenever you want, because magnesium is the main technology they use in here, along with some acne fighting ingredients and what looks to be amazing technology that I haven't seen in any other product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Highlighted ingredients include magnesium PCA and Biosaccharide. You can check out the full ingredient list in the description, and also click the link in the description to learn more about this product on their website. The things we're going to be looking for include, what do I notice this product to do? Is it an instant benefit with calming? Because that is something that I've seen people talking about with this product. And also, what does it do for my skin more long term? This is not an expensive face mist, but to me, face mists are more of a luxury. I want to see what this product does and if it's worth it. As for anything else, I'm continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. This face mist has been addicting, I cannot lie. A beautiful mist application, I must say. It has a very fine yet wide range to it. I don't even know if you can see that, it's so fine. I've been using this face mist in many different ways. I use it after cleansing as a toner step. I use this throughout the day as I need it. I also just use it when I want to. And I don't know if I'm crazy, this may be placebo effect, but I have seen some subtle differences in how my skin has been looking. It seems more calm, feels more calm. It's just way more hydrated than it has been. And I love this because it is a calming mist, but it also is skin barrier supporting and nourishing as well. This is, I mean, I haven't seen results like this except for with hypochlorous acid, and I prefer this method of using a face mist like this. I hadn't seen anything else on the market before this because there's less rules with it. With hypochlorous acid, you have to be careful around certain skincare actives, have to be careful when you use it in your routine. I don't like to use it around my skincare products. I use it completely separate. This I use in unison with my skincare products and just when I need it. I've been like holding it pretty close to my face because I like that more direct application. But as you can expect, doesn't really leave much of a finish. Is a little bit more glowy. Like I definitely see the hydration at first. Dries down practically to nothing. I just use this product when I just want to feel refreshed. Like, it's a very refreshing mist. Not necessarily cool. Well, it does have a little bit of a cooling aspect to it now that I think about it. And it's been so hot outside. So this has been a dream product for me. I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm excited to see if I notice these benefits to continue working. I'm already seeing great things with it, but I don't know. It seemed instant. And I usually don't see those types of benefits with skincare. So I'm really impressed with it so far. I'm gonna continue using it. Check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this face mist. I've never tried a product with this level of technology in it, utilizing magnesium to soothe the skin. I'm happily impressed with this product, and it's honestly one of my preferred ways to refresh my face during the day. It is not the same as hypochlorous acid, but some of the benefits that I noticed with that technology in skincare, I saw with this product. And what I like about it is there's less rules with this. Hypochlorous acid acts as a hand sanitizer for the face. This product more acts as just a refreshing face mist, but instantly I was noticing some redness coming out of my skin. It is an instant calming mist and showed those instant benefits with my face. I was mainly just looking to see how this product took the redness out of my skin, and through more extended use of using it regularly, I would use it during my skincare routine and also just throughout the day when my face needed a little bit of a refresher. This product product also seemed to be helping prevent some acne from coming up on my face. I would use this product after I worked out. It's not a hypochlorous acid where it's gonna act as like a cleanser, like a hand sanitizer. I also like that this face mist is very affordable. I feel like this face mist has a wonderful price point attached to it for how much you get and how often I used it. I like it because you can use it as your toner step in your skincare routine, which is when I love to use it while my face was still a little bit damp, but it's also easy to carry on the go. I've already repurchased this product because it is such a wonderful face mist that I saw those instant results with taking out my redness, and I noticed that over time my skin was looking more and more calm, which says a lot because it is the summer, spending a lot more time outside. This was my preferred product to go in with after my skin was inflamed, after it was sensitized, after it was irritated. It had that instant calming effect that translated better and better the more that I would use it. It is a wonderful technology to a face mist. I love that they don't just use magnesium, they use zinc PCA. They use amazing ingredients for the skin to soothe and calm the face. You can use this all over as well. Anywhere where you're needing some relief to irritated skin, because this is a mist, it is super easy to apply, carry on the go, and have when you need it. Face mists are rarely worth it in my opinion. They're kind of just a splurge product, but I don't know of another face mist with this level of technology in it, and I just love how versatile it is and how there are less rules with this product as there are with a hypochlorous acid mist, but it delivers some of those same benefits that I love with hypochlorous acid. So this is a product that I have already repurchased just because I'm impressed with what I've seen within the first couple of weeks, and it's something I would 100% recommend if you're looking for a calming face mist. Also, if you struggle with redness or acne, this is a go-to staple product, and I cannot see my skincare routine at the moment without it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.